Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I got a really awesome toy for us to unbox. It's the Littlest Pet Shop Jet. It comes with 4 Littlest pets and they are so adorable! Look at all the stuff you get! On the outside, it says some assembly required, but they should say all the assembly is required. First, we'll begin by assembling the fuselage. All the parts snap together so it's easy to assemble. Next, we'll add the floor into the cabin. And we'll put this thing, whatever it's called, into the tail. And there's a little spot for some pet to sleep in there. And then we'll add the floor of the cockpit. Next is this wall that divides the cabin from the cockpit. The pilot seat is next. Not many planes go for the bench seat. We'll add in the control yokes so you can have a pilot and a co-pilot. We'll start putting together the wheels. All these parts are still on the sprue, so you have to take them off yourself. They just snap together too, and then they snap into the landing gear. We'll attach the front wheel into the fuselage and the ventral fin too. Now we'll attach the landing gear to the wings. And attach the wings to the fuselage. We'll add the tail fins and the rudder. Next, we'll attach the canopy. And then we'll add the surrounds to the windows. They look like paw prints, which is adorable. Now we'll attach these little pieces to the windows so the pets don't fall through the hole when the side is folded down. We'll add more of these window surrounds. Next, we'll add this little platform and the clear roof, which is very fancy and pretty. We also have a slide because pets don't use stairs except cats and dogs, etc. Next, we'll add this little bar. You'll see what that is for in a minute. The slide can attach in 2 places. So this plane has some hanging furniture in it. And it all hangs from that bar earlier. Next, we'll add some more furniture, and then the stickers, and then the deco bits. Here is the inside, all finished. The pets have food on the corner, a little carry-on luggage, a laptop computer, some cold drinks on the chairs. There's a sleeping area at the back, and a humongous globe. One of the pets can actually fit inside of that. And there you have it. I think jets are really cool and cute. There is a link in the description if you want to get one just like mine. Thank you for watching the entire video. Check out my other toy videos and playtime videos. Please click like and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Until next time!